Universe just gave me a leg. Sit down an angel so fine and so thick, yeah. Feeling this could should be a sin, yeah. The universe must want me to win. Send me an angel. I woke up smiling this morning, feeling so grateful. I'm dripping in 40 pointers, mama, I made it. I had a dream about this feeling and I claimed it. Yeah, I embraced it. I'm so blessed, and I probably don't deserve all this, and I know that. Yeah, I know that I'm a mess.
She bad, might need a tip. Hundreds on me, make a flip. Ooh, she slipping like spring water. You a trick with a bag on. I can't trip, I got cash on me. I was broke, no rents on me. Ooh.
How do you do it? Okay. Get it! This is dope! What's up with it? Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got another unboxing. I literally just took it from the door to the hallway because this shit is heavy. It's not super heavy, but so this is 32 pounds. So it's 32 pounds. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. I'm really excited because I think I know what it is. I think it's my sound bowls that I need for my sound bath. Number one. Ooh, they're so cute! Oh, they're so shiny on the inside. You guys, this is my first huge sound bowl. I'm so excited. I'm gonna use these for my sound baths. I think this is the 12-inch one because it's so big. I'll have to measure it to see which one it is. I'm gonna put that back in here. Now, put that out. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put this back the way it was. Because I'm gonna bring these, I'm gonna bring them upstairs. upstairs in the meditation room. Okay, what do we have here? It's hard to like see anything in here. Oh! Where's my scissors? Did I bury my scissors in here? I think I did. Here we go. Okay, so, oh, I hate these little marshmallow things. So these are some necklaces that I got, I believe. Troy Lee. Oh, we're sincerely grateful for each and every order. It's like he really wrote on it. That's cute. Okay, so sometimes I like to save the bubble wrap, so let's see if we can. So you guys, these are so cute. Look at all of these necklaces. Oh, they're cute. So some of these are raw crystal necklaces. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. That looks like it could be crystal clear quartz. This is raw turquoise. That's pretty. Amethyst. That's pretty. Oh, we got the fool's gold here. Pyrite. Look at that. That's pretty. We have sodalite. Yep, this is raw sodalite. Raw crystals means it's just not polished. I kind of like it like that. Some people like original. This looks like it could be. Oh, okay, so these are just repeated. This could be aquamarine. I mean, not aquamarine. I have to look up this one, but I know for sure this is rose quartz. So rose quartz. And I like it because it's like original. And then I have to look up this one. I don't remember what this one was. That one right there. I gotta look that one up. So that's cool. So I got 2 sets of each for anybody that wants to get those. Those will be in the shop after I like to charge them under the sun and then smoke them out with Palo Santo. So we will do that. So that's exciting. And then I also have my, oh, these are for the sound bowls. So these rings, so you put the bowl on top of these rings. And then here's the sticks that you just, you know. So clearly I got 3 sound bowls. They gave me 3 sticks. So let's get the rest, see what sizes I got. This one, so look, I'll give you guys an example. Actually, wait, I'll wait till I get the 3rd one. So each each sound bowl, I know you guys probably seen these if you just look it up on TikTok or something like that. I mean, they're all gonna look the same, but they're raw on the outside and soft on the inside. They're glazed on the inside. They're each set to a note already that I purchased. So each sound bowl, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, they're all, you can get them that are not tuned already, but I bought ones that are already tuned because they deal with different chakras. And you can look that up as well. You guys are gonna see my first time just testing it. Alright. Okay. So let's get one of the rings. Yeah, they're really light. They're not heavy as I thought. I thought they were gonna be so, every time you see them, I think they're like so heavy. They're not. They're like really light. Okay. It's like not super light to where it's, I don't know, you just want to handle it with care, right? Alright guys. I don't know how to do this, but do you hear the sound still going? Let's try it again. So I guess you go inside to stop the sound. I got to read on it, but I don't even think I'm doing that right. But isn't that so cool? So each one has a different chakra. So we're gonna put this back in the box for now. I'm gonna read about it. I'm gonna go to YouTube University and read up on it. You know, just to get some knowledge at first before I even do anything with them. Even though they're already tuned, I don't have to tune it, which is dope. So that saves me time. And that way you guys can, so go to Vixenafterdark.com. The link will be down below where you guys can join in on the sound bath meditation bowls, because it's like, it sounds so good when you do it. It's so good for you. And also these live sessions are going to be lit. There's 2 that I'm going to have per month for the Reiki healing and meditation sessions. Just for now, because I'm getting my store up, so we're going to see how that goes. I plugged in 2 sessions every 2 weeks, or 1 session every 2 weeks. So I'm going to see how that goes with my schedule, because I'm also trying to vlog. I'm also trying to fit in. That's why you guys have seen so many unboxings. Like, I haven't been taking you anywhere because I've just been like in here getting my shit together. You know, like it's a lot, right? So I'm hella excited. Oh, I'm so fucking excited. Go there to get your the downloads and generalized readings over there. So this is my passion, guys. This is for the Vixen Elite Healing business that I'm creating here. I got a lot of stuff. I just I put my bracelets I'm not wearing right now because they're charging under the sun. And then I used Dragon Blood Sage on all my items that I got. All my items are not made in China. They're all from India or Morocco. And I think I even had another piece from, I forgot where it was. Damn it. Yeah, India, Morocco, and then another place too. So it's all original form. So that's what I like. It's just that my vendors that I have are located in California for the most part. Some are in different states, but mostly they're all in California. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me see if there's, I don't think there's anything. I think that was all in my order. Yeah, I think that was it. So I gotta break down these boxes, do some readings, and then probably by that time, oh, I have to go online. I already did my taxes, thank God. I did that yesterday. So I'm gonna, for the rest of the time, I'm gonna be online though. I have to order a light box so I can take pictures of all the inventory. Because I can, there's like room upstairs I can. There's so many places in this house I could take a photo shoot, but I'd rather just have like a nice light box for each item because a lot of items are kind of small. So I want to make sure that they look cute. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that, you guys, and put these up. For now, I may put them upstairs for the sound bath. I'm going to have sound baths pre-recorded and also live too. So I might start putting those up on my YouTube channel. I don't know. You might have to just, subscribe and find out. But comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to embark on Soul Fam self-healing journey where you can look within and not without because you have source within you. So, I guess I'll check in with you later. Yeah, I'm about to have such a fun time. I love these things. Oh my god, why is the color looks so different? I love this. I want one.
Devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and is caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving him desperately. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy.
Hey y'all, what's up? So guess what? We've got some more packages. I swear it's gonna be like packages every day. This is from Wasted Spiritually. I love that name for some reason. So we're gonna open these. Message. So, oh, I guess the colors of all the beads, what their meanings are, which is dope. So I've never had waist beads before, so this is my first time. So I'm really excited. I thought she had like a shop, so I was gonna go get them fitted, but she doesn't have a shop. So that's okay. I'm gonna have Bestie go meet up with her since I don't live in the area anymore. I'm gonna have her meet her to try on. So I got 6 of them, 3 for each of us. Oh, and that's so funny because they're all in the row, the ones that I want for me and the ones I want for her. Okay, cool. That way I know. Sweet sauce. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. So it comes like in this little package. Ooh, these are cute cards. Serving your soul's intentions. Oh, that's cute. So you guys go to wastedspiritually.com. I'll link it down below. They're on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. So this is actually going to help weight loss journeys too for you guys. You know? So, ooh. So they come in the little packages. So those are hers. These are mine. These are mine. These are hers. These are... Oh, did I order? Oh, I ordered more than I thought. So this is a practice bead, so that's why there's extra. Mine are all pink. So mine I got, this one is called Hustle, like the Nipsey Hussle, with the blue and gold. And then I got the pink and black mixed. And then I also have the self-love beads. And then for Bestie, I got her these ones. I got her just the black tourmaline because she likes black. She loves black. This is the lust one because she's a sexy Scorpio. And then I got her mesmerized because people are mesmerized by her and her energy all the time. So I'm gonna put these back in here for her. That way it just goes with the experience for her. It's just really cute. This is like my natural stomach, so I can just have it fall. I don't know how I would tie that. I'll figure that out later, but I just wanted to show you guys. Ooh, it's like it came on me and it never wanted to come off. Alright. I'm gonna put this away and we're gonna figure that out later when I'm in front of a mirror instead of looking in the camera. Also, I have another packet. Oh, these are more bracelets. Oh, shit. See, these are a little bit tinier than these ones. These are smaller. Okay. I like the bigger ones, but these are cool too since they won't be as heavy, but they're still cute. I love crystal bracelets. I'm so excited. For my unboxing, I also have here too my crystal water intentions. It actually has lime and lemon in it. And I was thinking of switching out the crystals in here because I have a little like chakra one, so I think I might do that. And I can't wait to figure out my waist beads. I'm so excited.
She got me feeling like she's ready to go. Say, come get me.
This is why my sweater is white. Please sniffing me out. Come on, Mama.
What you do, I'm empowered. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be. Baby, hanging on us. Wishing we would
The best part about Costco is the food. So I washed all the fruit. That's what you guys are asking me. Why is all that shit in the bowls? I rinse and wash all of my vegetables and fruits because I'm fucking OCD as fuck. Put all my shit in containers. Try not to use as much plastic as possible. That way it's just all organized. Hi. Look who joined me for meditation this morning. Pepperoni. I'm about to get into it. Get you out, little birdie. I don't know what to do. Help! Took some apples and put it up there, and I threw that motherfucker up there, and he chomping the shits. Okay? Because since the fire department and the bird lady don't want to help me, they don't even care. Poor little birdie. Okay, so I gave him a piece of an apple, and he's really fucking eating the shit. You eating the apple? Come on. Not the apple. I got a piece of an apple up there. This thing, you ain't eating the apple or what? What you got going on? What you got going on, birdie? I put the apple up there for your ass. Oh my God. All that hard work. Look. Come on. You gonna eat it? Are we pecking? What we got going? Oh, you're eating it. He's eating it. Oh, he's eating the apple. Yeah, eat it. Oh, good boy. Eat the apple. Oh, he loves it. He's so getting on it. Yep. Oh yeah. He like Woody the Woodpecker on the motherfucking apple. Oh, don't drop it. Don't drop it. Oh, he's chomping the shit out of that motherfucker. Yup. He eating that sucker. Yes. Eat it.
The universe just gave me a leg. Sit down an angel so fine and so thick, yeah. Feeling this could should be a sin, yeah. The universe must want me to win.